Hi! In front of me is Nokia G11, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Nokia smartphone. Firstly, open settings and choose security section. Now you need to tap on screen lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern pin or password. Now enter it, choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm. After that, you need to answer this question by tapping on one of those answers. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and click on done at the bottom right corner. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!